guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel, Voice of Malinki. Today we will talk about water pollution. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So what is water pollution? Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies. So what are different causes of water pollution? There are many causes of water pollution such as deforestation, sewage and wastewater, eutrophication, industrial effluents and agricultural runoffs. Let's talk about one by one. First is deforestation. So deforestation can cause soil erosion. When these loose soil particles enter into a water body, they can cause water pollution. Next is sewage and wastewater. Many households, including fecal matter, dump their waste directly into water bodies, which can cause water pollution. Next is eutrophication. See, eutrophication is caused when large amounts of nutrients are dumped into a water body. It causes the rapid growth of algae. Their rapid growth can reduce the overall oxygen level in the water and it may cause the death of fishes and other aquatic organisms. Next is industrial effluents. So some industries directly pump their untreated wastes into water bodies, which causes the death of fishes and other aquatic organisms. Next is agricultural runoffs. Agricultural runoffs such as fertilizers and other chemicals can cause water pollution. Let's talk about some effects of water pollution. So water pollution drastically affects aquatic life. It kills fishes and other aquatic organisms. The effect of water pollution can have a huge impact on the food chain. So it basically disrupts the food chain, hence the ecosystem gets damaged. Humans may consume fecal matter from the polluted water, which may cause various infectious diseases such as hepatitis. Let's talk how to control water pollution. So sewage must be treated before discharging them into water bodies. A very special plant, the water hyacinth, can absorb dissolved toxic chemicals such as cadmium and other such elements. Planting them in the polluted water bodies may reduce the adverse effects of water pollution.